Hi. During this lockdown period, I think most of the artists and writers, they are doing lot of creative activities in the sense creating process in their life. I can see a lot of people are writing, a lot of people are painting, a lot of people are doing their own theater performance in their home. Some of them are conducting webinar discussions and all kind of things. So in this kind of dystopian time, do we know that what exactly what happened in the world is going through very difficult time. People are suffering, people are running behind food items and all kind of things. But for me, in this lockdown, I created some artwork because I'm at home, and my concern as an artist, I need to work. That's what I did. So here I'm going to present one of my artwork, which is also related to the lockdown situation, and also a kind of topic which I picked from this COVID-19. I'm going to share that. Okay, this work titled Sanitization Sensation. So I used a different kind of compositional structures here. Here you can see the red color is very much prominent. Usually I very rarely use red color, but in this situation I felt that I need to use more red color as a part of this composition. And I saw in the many newspapers, even in online media, even also in the Delhi, Mumbai, many places, sanitization is a part of the major job they're doing now, because everywhere people are coming with sanitizer. Even your home, in your home, soap is like a sanitizer. You know, you are washing your hand always and protecting yourself from this virus. So this kind of a lockdown situation, what we can do, we have to be at home, and we have to be very sensitive about yourself to protect from this epidemic situation. You need to understand what are the social distancing in between people to people, need to understand. But also generally we are talking about this sanitization is going through all over the world. Even in Wuhan, China, also sanitization was doing. So everywhere, for fighting for this virus, we are using soap and other kind of medium for us a weapon. You know, it's like a weapon to fight with this virus. So I feel that that is the concept behind what I've created. Also, you see that the city, the major composition here in this, I'll just zoom it. In this composition, you can see the background of a lot of city kind of things. Somewhat I feel that where I used to go in Gurgaon, I can see that kind of cities, or in Noida, or maybe in Mumbai. So this red kind of situation, red color, red alert, you can see hotspot, red hotspot. That's what I use, red color here. So I hope everything will become normal soon, and we'll be out of this confused situation. So that's what I thought about, that to make a painting like this to present to the public, so that people will understand what I am speaking through my painting. Thank you.